guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a plan with me featuring this really pretty kit on some premium matte. So it is super vibrant. So excited. And I didn't feel like using my own kit this week. I really wanted to use somebody else's, and I just looked at my pile of stickers that I still have yet to put away from the Black Friday hauls that I did, and my camera of course is dying. And so I have no shame that they are all still out. So, you know what? I pulled from it. And this is so pretty. And I am going to bring in some foils. I believe silver would be really pretty, but I don't have that much silver. But you'll be happy to know that silver is coming to the shop this week along with another kit. So it is going to be mucho pretty. Very pretty. And I think you guys will like it. I'm not gonna have that much silver stock because I don't have that much in general. So it'll be all ready to ship because I'm not going to promise stuff that I don't have. So I don't wanna go back in and foil. I want you guys to be able to have, there's not one header. Okay, so let me grab headers and change my battery. And here we are, movie magic, which you guys didn't even know is gone. So I have these Misfit headers, and these ones are like, I don't know if you can tell, they're cut at an angle, but it's only like 15 degrees. So I think I can get away with using these. Like these two almost like perfectly match. And then I have pink if I want to bring in my pink ones, which these are pretty close as well. I mean, not perfect. This one, oh no, this one's more pink. So I'm going to take this guy and this guy. So I think I'm just gonna take one of each. Or should I take I'm gonna take a pink one. That way we can just go ahead and get some pink in here. Which one is crooked? It's the header. Okay. I'm gonna bring the dark one in. You know, sometimes you gotta question what's crooked if you keep pulling things up. I really didn't have to put that down there, but I think it looks cute. I think adding foil makes everything look so nice. I don't know. I need my X-Acto knife because I have fake nails, and I mean I can get in there, but it's like not a pretty sight. And I have not the slightest idea what I just did. What the heck? Maybe one more drawer down? Nope, but I have this tool. Which is to get stuff off when you do vinyl. So tomorrow I will be remote. So I'm gonna put this guy in. Or let's start with a header. Let's start with some glitter up here, okay? I gotta think about this though. Yeah, see, it's like not even really cut wrong. It's only just 6 headers. Oh, that's the right one. That's the pink one. Ay, ay, ay. You guys are like, girl, you grabbed one that wasn't a Misfit. It happens. I'm thinking Cozy Fire, because I need it to be a cozy day tomorrow. And then I have some packages coming. I think I have 3. Don't judge me. And I will take this guy. I think I'm gonna bring him here. And then just kind of, nope. I cut that checklist sideways. I bet you my X-Acto knife is like right in front of my face too. So I'm gonna put this down. I can't have two sideways things, okay? I can have one. And I'm just going to semi-overlap it like so. Perfect. And then I'm gonna grab a little bow because why not? Put that up there. I'm so glad I'm not doing things on matte paper because I hate foiling on matte paper. And once I switched to glossy, it made the world of difference. I can't even describe the world of difference that this thing made by going to glossy. And then I'm gonna stick this guy down since I finished everyone's orders except for someone who placed today. Maybe I'll use this guy. Or that's like a lot together. I think I'm just gonna write in that and that's fine. So far, so good. The tough thing about like pre-planning is this is like my actual planner. So like the rewind spreads are always so much better. But like this was last week's Plan With Me and this came out so cute. I know PBC was this weekend, so it didn't like sell a crazy amount, but I still think it sold really well for it not being part of PBC. And then this guy, I mean, I'm feeling these kits right now, okay? I'm gonna take both of these. Take this guy, well, technically it's due on the 1st. However, I have an automatic transfer come out this day to pay this day. And then let me reevaluate that because I can bring that down. I think I'm gonna bring dark up here. And then pink to add some color, which, oh, it's perfect. I don't even have to use flags to cover up the, you know, I didn't even look at that. I just assumed that I would get that right. And I even pushed down when it wasn't right. I mean, I wasn't terrible. That's a little better. It's fine. Perfect. And then I have a deployment early in the morning. We are doing, I just want to like pet the super lush vinyl. You guys know I like my full checklist on Sunday. So I'm going to grab this here. Just stick it at the bottom. I'm not cutting this. I think there's 6. I was gonna say there's one more than I usually use, but seeing it like this. I'm gonna take the lighter foiled one and kind of just stick that on. I know, shiny object, literally shiny object syndrome. Do I want to take these? These are from Rose Colored Days. Cause that's like super cute. And it kind of matches this kit like really well actually. And then I need my videos, which I need to print myself another sheet. This guy was just really crappily placed on. I combined my sheets, so it's like really kind of a little bit hard to tell what's what. So let me zoom out. I have one Tuesday, which I think will be this plan with me. So I'm gonna put this guy here. And then I'll have new releases. I think I'm gonna do new releases on Thursday this week. So let's do this blue gray. Yeah, I think I can get away with this blue gray. There's a whole bunch of gunk on that sticker. Perfect. And then I'm gonna put this to do up here, kind of like last thing to do before new releases go live. And then I probably could have stuck a header up there, like in here, and then done one down here. But I think that one's okay. One thing I seem to always do is I always feel like I can get the full boxes down in a relatively spaced out version. I think I'm just gonna bring this guy in here, maybe in the middle. That's like, that might be my favorite full box. I'm gonna start this guy up here because I don't think I have any that are up here. I don't know what's all over that sticker. Is it all over everything? Yeah, a little bit, but it's okay. I feel like I want to use this darker pink. And then grab this guy, put this here. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just take another pink one for my trainer as well. Would you guys like to see, oh my god, that pink looks really dark here. Like what I eat. I mean, I'm not the best eater, like at all. But I have lost a significant amount of weight, I think. And so from where I was, that would drive me freaking bonkers. Maybe I'll put, trying to see what I have left in the kit here. I haven't done like anything on Wednesday. Wednesday is my like stepchild day. I hate Wednesday. I guess I'll put this up here. And then it looks like I actually accomplished something. So I can throw away this full box. And I'll put this pink foil thing, header, down here. I think I'm gonna grab my purple ones, since they're like semi-purple. I'll put this like right here and grab a munchkin. 'Cause I'll probably be doing more stickers that day. I'm gonna grab a thicker piece of washi. So if I wanna do like a half box in here, I can. Is that super sideways? It sure is. Like, what is weird about this? Normally I could peel this back, but I did what Jessica did. Since I don't use my monthly, I went ahead and taped them. So now it goes from here and then straight into here. My monthly is on the other side, since I don't really use my monthlies. I feel like I'll have another video. Let's do it Saturday. With me adding vlogs, I really have to think about what I'm putting up, like, because I want to make sure all my planner videos go up, and I tend to forget. But as long as I have these in here, I'll just put what video. It doesn't necessarily matter what day, as terrible as that sounds. Since I added so much in here, I have quite a bit left. I'm gonna take this thicker washi up here and rip it in half. Why did that rip? Oh, it's because it's stuck. I really wanted that pink washi. I may just put it in anyway. I feel your judging faces. Don't judge me, okay? I wanted the darker pink up here. Here's to hoping I get it right. I guess I'll just use the washi part. I thought I could line it up without it. Good enough. Trying to think if there's any icons that I want to use. I don't think so for now. So this is where we are. It's not too terrible. I think adding some of the foil throughout, like, didn't overwhelm it. Like, it didn't create a frenzy, I guess. I just had it out. Oh, it's because I buried them. I love these laundry day stickers. I need to, like, fully reformat them. I think it'll help to be like normal too. That way you can see it's like just a little bit off, like not really, but like just a little bit. Oh, Happy Meal, I can put that in here too. It's the beauty of adding like all these different pinks. It's not a big deal. All right, I'm gonna end it here because I think I'm good. I think I've achieved enough. Like, that's real life. Studio lights, real life. So this is what I have left, and I did use quite a bit of extra little things. Like, it's not that many. I just used these and then like a few little things added, but I think the spread came out super cute and I'm excited for this week. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.